What's going on, everyone? It's Nismo, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of trading indicators, and specifically, we're going to unlock the power of VWAP crossover strategies. Now, whether you're just starting out in the market or you're a seasoned pro, understanding how to use VWAP effectively can seriously up your trading game. We're going to cover 8 powerful techniques that can help you identify those high-probability trading opportunities so you can buy low, sell high, and watch those profits soar. Let's get started. Alright, so let's break down the foundation of VWAP crossover strategies. The volume-weighted average price, or VWAP, is like a magical line on your chart that tells you the average price a stock has traded at throughout the day, adjusted for volume. Think of it this way. If a stock trades a massive volume at a certain price, that price level becomes super important. Now, when we talk about VWAP and price crossovers, we're looking at how the actual price of the stock interacts with this VWAP line. When the price crosses above the VWAP, it often signals that buyers are stepping in, creating potential buying opportunities. Conversely, when the price dips below the VWAP, it could mean sellers are in control, potentially presenting a shorting opportunity. This basic concept forms the bedrock of many VWAP strategies, and we're going to explore how to leverage this in trending markets, using it as support and resistance levels, and so much more. So, buckle up because things are about to get interesting. Now let's kick things up a notch and combine the power of VWAP with another popular indicator, moving averages. You know, those trusty lines on your charts that smooth out price action and help identify trends? We're talking about the simple moving average, SMA, and the exponential moving average, EMA. When you combine VWAP with a moving average, like the 20-period EMA for example, you create a dynamic duo that can pinpoint those high-probability trading setups. Imagine this, the price is trending upwards and then, BAM! It breaks above both the VWAP and the 20-period EMA. That's a bullish signal, my friends, and it could be a fantastic opportunity to jump in on the action. Of course, the opposite is true as well. A break below both lines could signal a bearish move. The beauty of this strategy is its versatility. You can use it for scalping those quick intraday trades, swing trading for those bigger moves, or even for longer-term investments. Remember, the key is to experiment and find what works best for your trading style. Alright traders, let's talk about taking your VWAP game to the next level by incorporating multiple time frames. This is where things get really interesting. See, most traders just look at VWAP on a single time frame, like a 15-minute chart. But what if we told you that you could gain a serious edge by looking at VWAP on multiple time frames simultaneously? Here's the idea. You could have the VWAP on a higher time frame, like a 4-hour chart, to identify the overall trend, and then use the VWAP on a lower time frame, like a 15-minute chart, to pinpoint your entry and exit points. For example, let's say the price is above the 4-hour VWAP, indicating an uptrend, and then it pulls back to test the 15-minute VWAP. That could be a prime buying opportunity, as you're essentially buying the dip within a larger uptrend. This strategy is all about aligning your trades with the bigger picture and riding those waves of momentum. Chapter 4, Anchored VWAP Crossovers, Mastering Key Levels. Now let's dive into the world of anchored VWAP. This technique is all about identifying those critical support and resistance levels that the market respects. Instead of just using the standard VWAP, which starts at the beginning of the trading session, we're going to anchor our VWAP to a specific price point, like a swing high or a swing low. This creates a customized VWAP that's tailored to the specific price action we're analyzing. For example, let's say we're looking at a stock that recently broke out to a new all-time high. We could anchor our VWAP to that breakout point, and then use it to identify potential pullback entries. If the price pulls back to the anchored VWAP and bounces, it could be a fantastic opportunity to buy the dip and ride the momentum of the breakout. The beauty of anchored VWAP is that it provides a clear and objective way to identify those key levels that the market is reacting to. Chapter 5, VWAP and RSI Momentum Confirmation for Smarter Trades. Alright traders, let's talk about taking your VWAP game to the next level by incorporating the Relative Strength Index, or RSI. VWAP is great for identifying trading opportunities, but it can give false signals in choppy markets. That's where the RSI comes in. The RSI shows if a stock is overbought or oversold. Combining VWAP with RSI filters false signals, increasing trade accuracy. For example, a price above VWAP with an overbought RSI might signal a reversal. Conversely, a price above VWAP with an underbought RSI confirms an uptrend. Remember, combining VWAP and RSI leads to smarter trades. Chapter 6. VWAP Bands Crossover, Dynamic Support and Resistance. Let's unlock the power of VWAP bands. VWAP bands create dynamic support and resistance zones around the VWAP. Think of them as Bollinger Bands based on VWAP. They adapt to market volatility, widening in choppy markets and narrowing in trends. Use them to identify high-probability trading zones. Chapter 7. VWAP and MACD Crossover, the triple threat of trading indicators. Combine VWAP with MACD and its signal line for powerful trading insights. This trio helps spot breakouts and reversals early. MACD shows momentum between two EMAs. The signal line triggers buy and sell signals. Together they confirm trends. Price above VWAP and MACD crossover signals bullish momentum. Higher MACD histogram bars confirm it. That's a potential breakout. The opposite signals a downtrend. Bearish crossover and declining histogram signal downtrend. Chapter 8. Intraday VWAP Retest and Cross Strategy, Riding the Waves of Volatility. Let's talk about a strategy that's perfect for those of you who love to trade the intraday swings. The intraday VWAP retest and cross strategy is all about capitalizing on those quick dips and spikes in price action that happen throughout the day. Here's the idea. As the price moves throughout the day, it will often retest the VWAP multiple times. These retests can create fantastic trading opportunities, especially when combined with other indicators or price action patterns. For example, let's say the price breaks above the VWAP early in the morning, indicating potential bullish momentum. Then it pulls back to retest the VWAP, creating a potential buying opportunity. If the price bounces off the VWAP and starts moving higher, you could enter a long position, setting your stop loss just below the VWAP. On the other hand, if the price breaks below the VWAP and retests it from below, failing to reclaim it, it could signal a potential shorting opportunity. The key to this strategy is to be patient, wait for those high probability retests, and then pounce on the opportunity. Outro Mastering VWAP Crossovers, your path to trading success. So there you have it. 8 powerful VWAP crossover strategies that you can start implementing in your trading today. Remember, no single strategy works all the time, and the key is to find what works best for you, your risk tolerance, and your trading style. Don't be afraid to experiment, backtest your strategies, and adjust them as needed. The more you practice, the better you'll become at identifying those high-probability trading opportunities. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more amazing trading content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Now go out there and make some serious profits.